Welcome to Two-Way Direct, your #1 two-way radio dealer in the US. We not only offer all major brand products, but we do so at the lowest prices guaranteed. The Motorola CP200D is a two-way radio which offers analog as well as digital technologies. This 16-channel 4-watt radio offers an IP54 rating, which means that it can resist splashing water and dust particles. With a 2-year warranty as well as free radio programming from Two-Way Direct, you can ensure that your team has a solution which will last. For the workers utilizing this handheld, it is often important that their communications be hands-free in order to allow for more freedom in a hands-on environment. Some accessories which are great options in optimizing communications include multi-unit chargers. Multi-unit chargers allow for the consolidation of a team's two-way radios, rather than utilizing several single-unit chargers, which take up more outlet space. A multi-unit charger enables multiple radios to be simultaneously charged and accounted for. Speaker microphones. Speaker microphones are great options for those within manufacturing who require quick transmission of messages while also working machinery and moving products. Belt clips. Belt clips are a staple element when creating a more hands-free system. Simply attach the belt clip to the back of the radio and clip it to your belt. Antenna. Need to boost your coverage? Antennas are a great way to ensure that your coverage is not compromised while on the job. When carrying radios, be sure to never hold them by the antenna, as it can cause them to break. Having a few extra of these accessories on hand is always a great idea in the case that one breaks on the job. 2-wire surveillance kit earpiece. For a more discreet form of communication, this 2-wire earpiece is a great option. Simply clip the wire to your shirt and wrap the clear coil around your ear. A memory foam ear tip is included in order for this earpiece to form to your ear canal. D-shell earpiece. If you need an earpiece which is more durable, the D-shell would be a great option. This accessory can hold up in harsh environments and loops around the ear to secure to it. Replacement batteries. Replacement batteries are probably the most valuable accessory to have on hand for your two-way radio system. As batteries age, they lose power more quickly. Having extras will ensure that you never lose communication with your team for extended periods of time. For more information on accessories which work with the CP200D two-way radio, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back with you.